part 11 of chapter 3. To prove that man lives through God's will alone and not by blood, Jalal one day, in the presence of a crowd of physicians and philosophers, had the veins of both his arms opened and allowed them to bleed until they ceased to flow. He then ordered incisions to be made in various parts of his body, but not one drop of moisture was anywhere obtainable. He now went to a hot bath, washed, performed an ablution, and then commenced the exercise of the sacred dance. And of course, what we know is it sounds like from some cases, although we have some stuff outside and even you could say violations, Jalaluddin was generally a fundamentalist. So he wasn't going to give up his fundamental practices for these things. He just did that too.